Hey folks, Brandon out here at Auto Direct. Coming to you today, wanting to show you what we use if one of our batteries out here die on the lot. We have what's called a jump box. Very similar to jumper cables, except you don't need another vehicle to hook the other end to. It stores more than enough power to start your vehicle if your battery does die. Very simple. You have a positive cable and a negative cable. Hook it up to the positive and negative side of your battery. Once you do that, it's got the charge already going to it. Get in, start your car, put your jump box back up, take off again. These are fairly inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon, 30 or 40 bucks for a low end one, all the way up to $300 or $400 for a really good one. I'm sure your local auto parts stores will have them the same way. So just a little tidbit of information: if your car battery does die and you have one of these, you don't have to rely on somebody to come jump you off.